Hello and welcome. My name is Nace. I'm a professional photographer and retoucher, and for the last 10 years, I've made it my personal goal to bring creative education to everyone around the world. Through platforms like Creative Live and Adobe, as well as founding PHLEARN.com, I've taught millions of people Photoshop from over 180 countries. And now I'm partnering with Fiverr to bring you this course. I love that Fiverr combines both the education platform as well as a way for creatives to actually get paid for their services. This course is designed for amateurs and professionals, showing you how to get the most out of your portraits through frequency separation retouching. With the included Photoshop action that makes frequency separation easier than ever, we go over multiple different images so you can see how these techniques really work in the real world. One of the most powerful parts is being able to smooth people's skin while still retaining all of the texture and detail, keeping those portraits looking realistic. In this tutorial, we show you all the details you need to get both small scale and large scale retouching projects looking great. This course includes sample images so you can follow along step by step and build your confidence as well as technique. So whether you're a photographer, a retoucher, or a hobbyist, by the end of this class, you're gonna have a much better idea of what goes into a professional retouch photo and all the skills to make it happen. My name is Nace. Enjoy the course.